Things to know and be prepared for the day that we have our specialists come out to take official measurements of your project. Have your countertops wiped down and clear of all appliances, decorations, or anything that can be in their way. Be sure to secure small children and pets, as our staff may be going in and out of the house and we wouldn't want anybody running outside and getting hurt. Know the edge you want and any overhang on your countertop. You must have already selected this with our sales representative, but our staff will double check these things on the day of the template. Know if your project includes any backsplash, whether it's a 4-inch backsplash, a full height backsplash, or no backsplash at all. Have your sink selection already made. If you're purchasing from us, be sure you know the size and the model of sink that you want, according to your cabinet size. If you're purchasing your own, be sure that it's already there on the day of the template, as our staff will bring it with them to the shop for precise cutting. If you have a farm sink, be sure it was already installed prior to us coming out to the template appointment. If there will be a cooktop cutout as well, be sure the cooktop is present on the day of the template. If you need a faucet, soap dispenser, or garbage disposal button drilled into your countertop, be sure those items are present on the day of the installation. If you have any further questions or concerns, please be sure to reach out to our staff and we'd be happy to assist you.